Hi, this is Leanne from Global Media Networks with the business news for today. The Colombo stock market yesterday produced a late rally following the removal of a 10% price ban by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The market's value swelled by 41 billion rupees, whilst the ASPI gained 2%, or 111 points, as sentiments of investors boost following the regulatory action for the better. Equity Stockbrokers Limited Director Rajendra Tyagaraja has been appointed to the board of the Colombo Stock Exchange. The appointment is to fill the casual vacancy arising from the resignation of Nihal Fonseca from the 31st of March after serving the board for 10 years and as chairman for 5 years from 2006 to 2011. Tyagaraja is the managing director and the CEO of H&B plc. Commercial Bank's 5-year debenture issue worth $1 billion had closed this week, signs a single application with a shocking announcement. The bank was offering 500,000 unsecured subordinated redeemable debentures at an issue price of 1,000 rupees each, and with an option issue a further equal amount in the event of the oversubscription of the original figure. The issue, which opened on the 27th of March, Wednesday, with the bank saying it was not subscribed at all due to sharp increase in market interest rates subsequent to obtaining CSE approval and opening of the issue to the public. In a major move, the finance company PLC yesterday announced the appointment of Cheryl Rosa, former Vice President of Finance and Operations at Citibank's Asia Pacific Technology and Operations Group, as an independent non-executive director. The record books were written when country's single largest ATM network, owned and operated by Commercial Bank of Ceylon, dispensed a mammoth of 1.6 billion rupees on Tuesday, the 10th of April, as Sri Lankans prepared to celebrate the National New Year. The single-day record by the country's largest electronic cash dispensary network of 512 ATM surpassed the previous record of 1.2 billion set by Commercial Bank on the 8th of April. The rupee yesterday fell 0.9% to close at 129.70 to 129.90 a dollar, compared to Wednesday's close at 128.60 to 128.70. due to considerable importer dollar demand. Reuters, quoting an unnamed currency dealer, said the market is bracing for further depreciation when the central bank stops its dollar supply to meet oil bills from next month. Sri Lankan tea prices rose again at this week's auction after rising in the previous sale, but remained below last year's levels in US dollar terms after a sharp rupee depreciation. The weekly auction for the last sale of 396.54 rupees a kilo, that is $3.6, for the second consecutive week was higher than the corresponding sale average of 2011 of 373.27 rupees, that is $3.35, according to tea brokers. Hari S. Bhatia, who is the co-chairman and founder of Jubilant Foods that owns and runs Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts, will be in Sri Lanka for a short visit next week to explore investment potential in the country. Jubilant Foodworks Limited is a part of Jubilant Bhatia Group, which is valued over at $3 billion and is headquartered in India. Hutch Telecom Lanka launched its 3G services yesterday, initially covering the western province. Hutch plans island-wide 3G coverage with a total of 1,000 BTS by July this year. Hutch's rollout for 3G services follows its entry into the post-paid market a few months ago. Belgium, a top diamond supplier to Sri Lanka, is keen to invest in manufacturing and consulting in Sri Lanka. We invite Belgian investors to use FTAs with India and Pakistan to access the Southern Asian market, said the Minister of Industry and Commerce. Northeastern Ice Company is to embark on a 60 million rupee investment project for the setting up of an ice manufacturing plant in 3 locations in the northern and eastern provinces, Valachene, Kalmunai and Kurunagar in Jaffna. These plants' ice production is destined for the local fisheries industry as well as road construction activities. The BOI-approved project opened its first ice manufacturing plant in Kalmunai recently, which has the capacity to manufacture 708 ice cubes, which is equivalent to 35 tons per day. The construction work of the other two plants are nearing completion and will be opened in another 6 months' time. With that, I round up the news for today. Wish you all a very good weekend. Thank you.